Hello friends, welcome to the Next Level Interior YouTube channel. So if you enjoying watching home interior ideas that are easy to understand, then please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so you never miss any of our new video. So today's we are going to talk about kitchen decorations and how to make a small or big kitchen look beautiful, clean and useful. Kitchen is one of the most important area in our house. It is not just a place to cook food, but also a space that all feel peaceful and easy to work in. So let us begin with the kitchen layout before making or changing your kitchen. You should always look at the shape and size of the space. Straight kitchen, L shape or U shape are some of the most common types. Choose the layout which fits best in your home. So if your kitchen is small, go for a straight layout without storage only on the wall. If your space is a big more, then L shape is a better idea. For bigger kitchens, it's look beautiful and gives lot of working space. So now let us talk about storage. In every kitchen, storage is very important. You should keep your thing in the right place. You can add wall shelvage or closed boxes to keep your jars, bowls or plates and other things. So if you do not want to spend too much, simple wooden boxes with door are great options. Keep the thing you use daily in the lower area and the thing you use sometime in the upper area. Try to keep the kitchen counter clean. Do not put too many things on it. A clean counter makes the kitchen look bigger and fresh. You can keep our fruit basket, a water bottle and a few cooking items only. The rest of the thing should be inside boxes or shelves. So lighting is also very important in the kitchen. If you have a window in your kitchen, let the sunlight come in. Natural light make the space look bright and happy. At night, use soft white or warm yellow light. You can add small lights under the shelves to make it look nice. It also helps while cooking. Now let us talk about color themes. Light color, light cream, light grey, light blue or light yellow make the kitchen look open and peaceful. So if you want a modern look, you can try white and wood to color mix. For a stylish look, black and white is also a good idea, but only in big kitchens. Tiles and walls also play an important role in kitchen beauty. Use easy to clean tiles behind the stove or sink area. You can choose simple tiles or even printed one like flower or simple lines. The rest of the wall can be painted with light shadows to match the kitchen theme. Now we come to the flooring. The kitchen floor should not be slippery. Choose tiles that are easy to clean and safe to walk in. You can also use simple anti-slip mat in area where the water might fall. To add some extra beauty, you can place a small decoration like one flower pot, a clock or family photo frame. But remember, do not put too many things. Keep it simple and neat. Do not forget about chimney or exhaust fan. Cooking make smoke and it should not stay inside. A small fan or chimney help keep the kitchen fresh and smoke free. It also stops the wall from getting black. Also think about dustbin space. Keep it hidden under the sink or inside a small box. It should not be visible all times. So if you want to give your kitchen a special look, you can try adding a small breakfast table. If there is enough space, to chair and a small round table can make a cute eating corner in the kitchen. Now finally, keep your kitchen always clean and fresh. After cooking, wipe the counter. Put everything black in place and throw away waste. A clean kitchen not only look good but it also keep the house healthy. So friend, this was today's video on how to make your kitchen look good and useful. If you like this idea and want more such simple and helpful interior designs video, then please subscribe to the Next Level Interior YouTube channel. Also like this video and share it with your friends or family who are planning to change your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video with more ideas. Take care and happy decoration.